In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recharge using GCash in TikTok. If you send gifts during live streams or need coins for in-app features, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to top up using GCash, with a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to recharge. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your personal page where you can access your account settings and wallet. In the top right corner, tap the three lines to open the menu. From here, select Balance. The balance page is where TikTok keeps track of your current coins and other wallet items. It's a good idea to note your current coin total so you can easily see the difference after recharging. Next, tap Coins. You'll see a list of coin packs with their prices in your local currency. Take a moment to choose the amount that fits your needs. Larger packs can sometimes offer better value, but pick what works for your budget. Double-check the amount before moving on so you get exactly what you intend to purchase. Once you've decided, tap Recharge. TikTok will now guide you to the payment screen. Under Payment Method, select GCash. This tells TikTok to process your top-up through your GCash wallet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough funds in your GCash balance to cover the purchase. If there are any promos or discounts available, they'll usually appear on this screen. After selecting GCash, tap Buy to proceed. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the payment. The process is typically quick, and you should see a confirmation once it goes through. When it's done, return to your balance or coins page, and your new coin total should update automatically. If it doesn't refresh right away, give it a moment, then check again. If you run into any hiccups, common fixes include confirming your GCash balance, ensuring your internet connection is steady, and trying the purchase again. Also, be sure your TikTok app is up to date so you see all the latest wallet options and prices. And that's it. You opened TikTok, went to your profile, used the menu to access balance, selected coins, chose how many to buy, tapped Recharge, picked GCash as your payment method, and then hit Buy. You're ready to use your coins right away.